Hey signers, we're excited to introduce a brand new course within our accelerated program, ASL Sentence Structure, Topic-Comment. In this video, you'll get an exclusive sneak peek at one of the lessons from the course. This course, taught by Sarah, is designed to help you master the fundamentals of topic-comment structure, a key component of ASL grammar. You'll also gain a deeper understanding of WH questions and time expressions in ASL. Let's dive in and learn how to sign Topic-Comment.
I would let you know that for this class, I'm going to be signing and talking at the same time. That's what we call SimCom. And the reason is because for this class, you can hear me talking English and I'm signing at the same time. It doesn't mean I'm signing an ASL structure. It's just my nature. I speak and sign at the same time. Always, my world is deaf and hearing, so I'm around hearing people and deaf people at the same time. So I just want to let you know I'm actually speaking English, but I'm signing ASL in English order, so don't copy my signing while I'm teaching. Okay, there will be times I force off a sign ASL. So, for this class, I'll be teaching Topic-Comment. We have rules that we follow for Topic-Comment. Let me explain how I'm teaching Topic-Comment. I want to tell you that the Topic-Comment is the most common sentence structure when signing an ASL. The topic is first presented, then the comment. After that, silent, why? Because it's not in English order. The 7 rules are: the first rule is to identify the topic. So let's look at the sentence that says, I love to read books. So I identify the topic. Books is the topic. So we decide what you do with books. Read, and how do you feel about it? Hi. So decided. Next example will be, I enjoy traveling. So I identify the topic. Travel. What do you do with the topic with a comment about it? Joy. Okay. So inside. I hope that helps with identifying the topic. Second rule is action signs at the end after the topic. Action signs are like the verb. So an example would be, he kicked the ball. Inside is after the topic. So ball, kick. Hey, another example is the girl is reading a book beside his reading action is after the topic. Third rule, or the negation comments, or at the end after the action. An example would be, I'm not kidding, but beside. Another example is, I don't want to work in the backyard. But beside. Or another option for that is, another example is, those two do not look alike, but beside. Those are examples of the negation comments. Fourth rule, or descriptions of the topic, like adjectives, or actually before the topic. An example would be if I said I drive a black car would be said black car driver. That's what I mean by descriptions before. Fifth rule or raised eyebrows. The topic marker. An example would be if I say all you hearing would be said. Hearing the topic. Another example is do you want the lights on would be said. Lights on, won't you? Another example is I'm going to the bathroom would be said. Those eyebrows up, bathroom. Now, the sixth rule is followed by words using double-edged signs. What I mean when I say double-edged sign are the signs that start with double-edged, like who, what, where, when, why, even how is part of the double-edged sign. Those are signed at the end of the sentence. Now, the last seventh rule is time signs or signs that say when something happens. What I mean time is like yesterday, today, tomorrow, every day, Wednesday, next month, as to those are signs that say when something happens. Those are time signs and they are placed before the sentence structure. Now that you have learned about the rules of topic-comment structure, we're going to close this and I'm going to start at the next session, which is double-edged signs.
I hope you enjoyed that preview of our new course on topic-comment structure. If you're ready to dive into the full course, it's already available to all of our Accelerated members. Not a member yet? You can join today and get 20% off using the discount code YouTube20 at checkout. This marks the 9th course in our Accelerated program, and we have even more on the way. If you're looking for a structured way to learn ASL with the support of a vibrant community, Learn How to Sign Accelerated is the place to be. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.